What I wish I knew about shamanic rituals when I first started seeking spiritual enlightenment. Let's uncover these ancient mysteries together. Shamanic practices are as diverse as the cultures they originate from, yet they share common elements that connect us to the spirit world. First, there's drumming and chanting. The rhythm and sound help the shaman enter a trance, opening a gateway to the spiritual realm. Then there's journeying. Shamans travel to the spirit world, seeking guidance and healing from ancestors and spirits. Healing ceremonies involve herbs, hands-on techniques, and the removal of negative energies causing illness. Vision quests take seekers into nature, where fasting and solitude bring personal insights. In soul retrieval, fragmented parts of one's soul are reclaimed and reintegrated. Animal spirit guides offer wisdom and protection, invoked during specific rituals. Purification rituals like smudging and sweat lodges cleanse body, mind, and spirit. Finally, divination methods like reading bones or stones provide answers and foresight. Curious about a specific ritual? Let us know. Until then, may your spiritual journey be enlightening.